Welcome to this video tutorial where I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files like documents, picture or email for free on Windows or external devices such as USB. So first, let's permanently delete these two pictures on our USB device. So yes, now we can try to recover it in recycle bin, but here we don't have the file so it was permanently deleted. Now let's recover these two pictures. So we will download a software, open your web browser and search for Recuva. It is from CC Cleaner. So as you can see, you can recover your deleted files quickly and easily with Recuva. And we will select the free version. So download, click on the setup to install. Now we will click on customize. So you can customize your setup if you want and then install. Reboot later. So we will open Recuva. Next. So here you can select which type of file you want to recover. If you don't have any specific files that you want to recover, you can click on all files or the file format that you want to recover. So in our case, we have picture. So I will select picture. And here you can select where you want to recover it. If you're not sure, you can click I'm not sure. But me, I will select the location, which is on the USB drive. So you can select the location where you want to retrieve the lost data. And we will click enable deep scan for it to perform a deep scan to find the lost file. Now we will wait it to scan the drive for the deleted files. And we can search anywhere in our local disk or any external device. We can perform the same, but it might sometimes not work. So it depends, but it will recover most of your lost file. And here, as you can see, we have find one image. So what we will do is we will switch to advanced mode. And here, as you can see, we have different extension. What we will do is we will go to options and go to the actions tab, and we will tick all the checkboxes. So you can select where you want to retrieve it. So we will select our USB drive. And then you can also scan content where you can put the name of the file that you want to scan. So here we'll perform another scan where we will remove the extension and scan all the files. So as you can see, more files are found. So we have animation, nature, and other files also. So here, as you can see, we have state. For the animation, it is poor. So you might not get the full resolution, or the file might be corrupt. And where the state is unrecoverable, we can't recover it. We will select the pictures which has excellent state. So now we need to select a location. It is not recommended to save it in the same location. And we will select another location. So I will save it on desktop. As you can see, we have our restored file. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.